Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel of Astro Debanwita and also free tarot tutorial lessons on tarot with Astro Debanwita. Today I came back with a new video tutorial of tarot reading, and this tutorial is all about the Tower card in the Major Arcana deck of the Rider-Waite Tarot. So before beginning with this video, I would like to tell you all that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then you could subscribe my channel by clicking the red bell icon below. And don't forget to like and share my video if you get some knowledge and things you want to learn from this video as well. So the Tower card is the 16 number card of the Major Arcana deck, and it's also the 17th card of this group as well. Now, since this card is dealing with the number 7 energy and it's purely related to the energy of the planet Ketu in this revealed through this card. So if remedies are somehow provided to any person in whose reading this card is coming, then the remedy of Ketu should be provided at any place in the northeast direction. Now let's start with the symbolism of the card. Now if this card is somehow studied, then it could be found that in the middle of the card there is a crumbling tower. This tower could be an allusion to the Tower of Babel. It is an illustration of humanity's ambition and compromises we make to avoid insecurity. These compromises, however, are futile because eventually everyone reaches the sun and our ambition consumes us. Now in the Tower card, we can also find that it is built on a rocky foundation. Any action that isn't rooted in enlightenment can be seen as folly. The rocky foundations can also illustrate one's karma in that way. We can also see in the Tower card that there is a lightning which is above the tower. In a flash, all that was built begins to crumble. This is also indicating some kind of destruction, while horrifying seems justified according to the way it was destroyed. Out of the windows of the tower, some flames are seen which is burning the building. The fire adds to the intensity of the moment and the passion of divine judgment. The scene is horrifying, but perhaps the fire will bring about a stronger foundation for future. The lightning strikes a crown from the top of the tower and sends it down. This is not only reiterates that the tower is a metaphor for ambition, but it also shows that nobody is safe from divine judgment. There are gold drops surrounding the tower, and they are 22 in numbers. Somehow, the number 22 represents to the combination of the 12 zodiacs and the 10 points of the Kabbalah tree of life. There are also falling people seen in the card, on whom the two people suspended in the air. Their positions mirror each other in a way that suggests paradoxical symmetry between flying. Now the keywords for this particular card means that there could be a shaken foundation, there could be sudden changes, downfall, release, destruction, upheaval and revelation. Now if this card somehow comes in love related reading, then it could mean a breakup or weak relationships ending, a foundational shift in the view of love. If this card somehow comes in career related reading, then it could mean that there could be some sudden job loss, workplace disruption, workplace chaos. If this card somehow comes in your financial reading, it could mean some kind of financial loss and also a wake up call for your finances as well. If this card comes in health related reading, then it could mean that there could be some kind of renewal in your health issues. If you are facing health problems currently, then it will force you to make changes in your life and also embrace them with positive attitude as well. Now, if this card somehow comes in reverse form in a reading, then it could mean that you may be trapped in a bad situation. You may face imprisonment of some form of physical or emotional form. There may be oppositions in your dealings. You should not lose heart and be patient and keep patience as well. Compassion is the only way to get out of this situation as well. So I came to an end with the tutorial video of this tower card. I will again come with a new video on tarot tutorial reading. Till that time, thank you. Namaste.